So what's up guys, today I just got an email saying my brand new 2020 iPad Pro just got delivered in the mailroom. So I'm gonna get it and give you guys a first impression and a brief unboxing video. Wait for the updates. What's up guys, so just got my brand new iPad Pro. Holy shit, isn't that gorgeous? And also the Apple Pencil. Apparently you can see the 3 cameras in this generation's iPad, and one wide angle normal camera, and the time of flight sensor, which is used for VR and AR in the future. And in the coming September event, if Apple is gonna release the iPhone 12 on time, we're gonna see that implemented in the iPhones in the future as well. And so yeah, it's just super thin. It's the thinnest Apple product ever made, pretty much as thin as 5 cars, as me and my friends measured, and just so crazy. So as the old generation, it's very likely that it might be bent, so I would suggest you guys get a case. Other than that, today I just want to test it out as a student, how helpful the iPad is and whether it can really replace your laptop, especially after you upgrade to iOS 13.4 with a trackpad support. So yeah, I got it all set up, and let's transform this to a laptop. 3, 2, 1, go. So guys, this is a really cool setup, and I highly suggest you guys get the Bluetooth Magic keyboard and trackpad, maybe the mouse, just for the sake of authentic. So I've been actually using this iPad for 2 days now. I got the iPad Pro on March 25th, and I think I should use it for 2 days and give you guys a brief review how I really feel about it. Although Apple upgrade the OS to 13.4, they start supporting cursor. You can do more precise work with it, which I'm gonna tell you guys more about it later on in the video. But to me, it's still a very touch-based device, and you can't really do a lot of very professional work on your iPad still, like video editing. If you want to do programming, there's still not many great apps to do it, unless you want to do on the Google Colab, do some Python. But it's really a great entertainment device, great for YouTube videos, great for Netflix. It's very big, and you can certainly use it if you don't do much professional work. Just want to do some drawings, texting, watching videos, or do some simple editing. There's iMovies on it. But as for a student, I think iPad is definitely a very good company towards their schoolwork. You can just ditch all those heavy notebooks and replace them with the electronic ones. I know some people may not like taking notes on the iPad, it doesn't feel as natural, but trust me, it saves you so much work. And you can always download your...
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please
And you can always download your electronic notes to PDF and print them out. And yeah, it's just easy to do the reviews and everything. Anyway, guys, have a little conclusion. As a student, I highly recommend you guys to get a new iPad. It's a very incredible device, especially a 12.9-inch. It's very easy to take notes if you have notability. It's nice to do drawings. If you work on the Procreate, get an Apple Pencil and wait till the end of May when Apple released the new keyboards and the trackpad. So the iPad will be amazing. I think one day will replace your computer. And thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.